What if I told you this might be the most perfect sports car ever made? Meet the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S. A machine that blends brutal speed, everyday usability, and timeless design into one unstoppable package. But is it really worth the hype? And the price? Let's find out. Let's start with the design, and honestly, it's impossible to ignore. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S stays true to the iconic DNA of the Porsche 911, but everything feels sharper, wider, and more aggressive. From the front, you'll notice the sleek LED light bar stretching across the nose, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Porsche look. The body sits low and wide, with massive air intakes and sculpted lines that aren't just for style, they're functional. This car is built for performance, and every curve has a purpose. Move to the side, and you'll see those large performance wheels and aerodynamic side vents, helping cool the engine and improve airflow. And at the back, that signature full-width light bar and active rear wing screams speed, even when the car is standing still. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the seats, you'll find a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine. While official numbers may vary, expect this beast to produce well over 640 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour? Around 2.5 seconds. Yes, this is supercar territory. But what makes the Turbo S special isn't just raw speed. It's how effortlessly it delivers that performance. The all-wheel drive system gives you insane grip, whether you're launching off the line or carving through mountain roads like the ones you see here. And thanks to Porsche's legendary engineering, the handling is razor sharp. The car feels planted, responsive, and incredibly confidence-inspiring, even at high speeds. Now step inside. The interior of the 2027 Turbo S is a perfect mix of luxury and performance. You're greeted with premium materials: leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, wrapped around a driver-focused cockpit. The seats? Sporty, supportive, and built for both comfort and control. In front of you, a digital instrument cluster gives you all the information you need, while the central touchscreen handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. It's modern, clean, and intuitive. Exactly what you'd expect from a high-end sports car. But here's the surprising part. Despite all this performance, the 911 Turbo S is still practical. You can drive it daily. It's comfortable enough for city driving, smooth on highways, and refined when you want it to be. This is what makes the Turbo S so unique. It's not just a weekend toy. It's an everyday supercar. Now, let's be real. This level of performance and luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2027 model is expected to sit well into six-figure territory. But for many enthusiasts, you're not just buying a car. You're buying decades of engineering excellence and one of the most iconic sports car legacies in the world. So, is the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S the ultimate sports car? Blistering speed, timeless design, everyday usability. It's hard to argue against it. If you had the chance, would you drive this every day or keep it as a weekend beast? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more epic car reviews just like this. See you in the next video.